Our most popular series, Head and Hair Heal, is a color-preserving series that treats and prevents dandruff and other scalp problems. It also prevents hair loss and stimulates hair growth. The range includes a shampoo and conditioner for daily use and also includes a mask that is recommended to use once or 2 times a week. The Head and Hair Heal series is formulated with several ingredients to boost both hair and scalp. Ingredients to be found in Head and Hair Heal are, among others, aloe vera and vitamin E. Aloe vera is emollient, moisturizing, calming and has healing properties for the scalp. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that increases the skin moisture capacity. It also prevents the skin from damage and makes the skin softer. In your shower routine, always start by using Head and Hair Heal shampoo to clean the hair and your scalp. The shampoo has a pH of 5.5 to 6, which will also open your cuticle just as much needed to clean properly. Use the shampoo twice to clean the scalp from old skin cells, dandruff and products, so the ingredients can really reach the scalp so they can do its job. After the shampoo, add the mask in towel-dried hair and leave it in for 5 to 10 minutes. Since the mask contains ingredients that will boost the scalp, a tip is to apply the mask in the scalp as well, and not only focusing on the lengths. Make sure to rinse a bit longer and more careful, to make sure all formula leaves the scalp to avoid oily roots. The mask has a pH of 5 to 5.5, which is the same as the hair's natural pH value. End your shower routine with a conditioner to close the cuticle. A closed cuticle will give you more shine, non-tangled hair straws and a healthier look. Head and Hair Heal conditioner has a pH of 4 to 4.5, which will make this happen for you. If you have the possibility, leave the conditioner in for a minute before rinsing. Head and Hair Heal has a flowery scent of galbanum, white jasmine and linden blossom. The perfume is allergen-free and developed for extra sensitive skin. Head and Hair Heal is a problem solver for anyone who has scalp issues, such as dandruff, dry or sensitive skin, who also wants to boost the hair with shine and moisture.